friends, on this video I'm going to show you how to solve network problem on Vivo mobile phone. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. Here firstly you have to move on setting. After you have been moved on setting, here you have to search here reset. Okay, you just search for the reset. Here move on this reset all settings. Then after that click on this reset Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth. Okay, when you click here, click on reset setting, again click on reset setting. After that your network problem will be solved. Okay, not only that, even the Wi-Fi problem, mobile data problem and Bluetooth problem will also be solved. Okay, if it doesn't solve by doing this, you have to click on back button and move on this reset erase all data. Okay, sorry, not erase all data, reset all settings. So before you do this, please try to, if your photos and videos will be deleted, you will be blame me. So please try to back up your photos and videos, even the WhatsApp documents and files. Okay, then only click on reset all settings. So here your Vivo mobile phone will be successfully network will be solved. Okay, so if it doesn't solve by doing this also, you have to move on Vivo mobile phone service center. Okay, so friends, I hope you love the video, and if you love the video, please like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.